Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. Our next topic is nested if. It means how we can write if inside an if. So far we have tried a simple if, that was we were having two results. If the condition is satisfied, student is pass or fail. Or if the actual sale is greater than target sale, I give 50%, otherwise 10%. We were having two results actually, but in this case we have to display three results. Say example, we have senior, a junior, and a trainee. The conditions are like this: basic salary above 10,000, then I will display the grade as senior. Basic salary between 5,000 to 10,000, that means above 5,000, below 10,000, then it will be junior. If the basic salary is below 5,000, then it is trainee. So if you have to display like this, three or more categories, then we cannot use this formulas, logical. This if function is not possible. Reason is, here you are criteria checking and you have got only two results to display. But for us, we have three results now. So for this, we will write the if directly in the cell. So we are going to write it in the G2 because we have to display the result in grade column. We start with an equal sign. If bracket open, our basic salary is available in a E2 cell. So I write E2. If E2 greater than or equals 10,000, this is my first condition. If my basic salary is greater than or equal to 10,000, I keep a comma. Then in double quotes, I write senior. Then I close the double quotes. So if E2 is greater than or equal to 10,000, I will display the result as senior. Then comma. Now I go for my second checking. That is, I write if again. If bracket open, E2 greater than or equal to 5,000, comma, double quotes I write junior, double quotes close, comma. Now we will write the third result directly here. We no need to check the third condition. We type the third remark here, that is double quotes I write training, double quotes close, close two bracket. So let us see how it is working. So the first employee, it is in E2. So I check whether his salary is about 10,000. If it is about 10,000, then it will come as senior. If it is not about 10,000, then it will go to the next. So if it is not about 10,000, it will check whether it is above 5,000. If it is above 5,000, then we will show the result junior. Otherwise, it will display you trainee. Now I press enter key. I copy the formula down so that you can see if the basic is about 10,000 senior, if the basic is between 5,000 to 10,000 junior, and if the basic is below 5,000, it comes trainee. So when you have three or more conditions like this, we can go for a nested if or if inside if. So the syntax is like this: I check my first condition, display the result. Instead of the result, I write another if here, then the result and the next result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.